This is a story of a friend on a quest no jest, that is the greatest of tests. A friend, that's right, a little old friend, seeks to make friend world friendly again. He looks for the Honk-ler, a jester of sorts, to make peace with him, and maybe have s'mores.
You noob! I've seen all the memes! I've seen memes made from all kinds of things! Things I can't show to my friends! Things I wouldn't speak! Things I'd delete the moment it sends! You think your memes will be enough to go on? With what is to come, you'll all be long gone! Make no mistake, I'm not the bringer of this fate. I am but its messenger. I don't want to be burdened by hate. The fate you shall see is one I've accepted. I'm here to relax you, distract you, keep your hearts all protected. I'm not your enemy. Please woe for my soul. I've given up on me, so I've partaken in Pole.
But Honk-ler, oh Honk-ler, it's never too late. Look, we have friends, all and each have a plate. You're an exception. We can fix what's been done. If we rearrange the cards, we can change the outcome. The Honk-ler peeks out, hearing the help. He didn't think he'd have power, or anyone more than himself. If they each stuck together, who knows what they'd change. Perhaps there's still time. He decided time to start learning some names. The Honk-ler drove out, his equipment in tow. Soon they'd unreap what he started to sow. After the 5-year mark, the Nazis had never come. Now he could return to his lifestyle of fun.